Alright, here's the vehicle after a couple days of ownership. I'm uploading the video now though. So here's the car. 03 PT Cruiser GT, purple flames. I'm gonna call this bad boy the purple rain. Just rains down on you all this power. Engine bay, so you know, is stock. So what the car does here is all stock, and despite this air raid, which I just took the filter off, no different than, probably better to just take the filter off down here. The turbo, stock turbo. Injectors here for the e85 that I put in it. PCV valve broke, so I just capped the back of that. So no mod other than injectors, if you want to call that intake a mod at this moment. And e85, and that's it. And a tune, Diablo Sport tuner, tuned by Mario out of Florida. Doing a great job with the car. This car is hilarious. It's so much fun to drive. It just spins tires through first and second now. Super cheap car. Picked it up super cheap, and yeah, honestly, it's a blast to drive. Would highly recommend owning this car if you can find it real cheap. Very identical to a like srt4. So yeah, that's the vehicle. I will show some like race videos. I currently raced a Maxima, a G35, and a Mazda Speed 3. I beat the Mazda Speed 3 actually. I beat the Maxima and the full bolt-on tuned HR G35 manual sedan pulls on me a little bit as of now. The car still is only on about 15 psi. We could go up to 20 on the stock sensor, and I don't think I'm gonna do too much other mods on top of that. But yeah, so that's the whip. I'll take you guys inside here real quick just to show you the interior in case you're thinking of possibly getting one. Came with a bunch of records here. Yeah, manual transmission, very clean. Only 74 something thousand miles at the moment. Super clean interior. That door is locked. Let me unlock it here real quick. So yeah, super clean interior. There's actually the filter that I told you I took off. Sunshade, and this all comes down here. But yeah, it's honestly a really fun car, and would definitely recommend it to someone looking to pick up a super cheap, fun car that you can make quick on very little money. So far right now, the amount of money I have into this, for those curious, is $200 for the injectors. Tune was about $150. The Diablo Sport tuner, which is down here, it's just an i2. You can buy and use for about 200 bucks. So the 200, 150, 200. Yeah, I mean, you're looking at about $500 to go E85 and a tune on this. I could do a downpipe for 100 bucks, pick up another 20, 30 horse. I could go more boost on it with a new map sensor, and that'll be another roughly 10 psi boost on what I'm on now. You could go up to about 26 on stock turbo, stock fuel pump in the 85. You can go higher after that, but I mean, this honestly thing could be super nasty. Right now it probably is right there with like a C5 Corvette, stock one and whatnot. So this car's super fun, and it's hilarious and a blast to drive, giving people the sauce in the PT Cruiser GT. They'll never see it coming, and they get yeah, super butthurt when they lose and want to sell their car. So it's definitely fun. And yeah, this is just a little update on the car after my first video there. about the vehicle and a couple of the mods and what we're looking at here. I estimate the car to be roughly maybe 250 wheel, 320-ish or so torque. It definitely has a lot of torque. Yeah, so I might do a couple more mods on this car. I might leave it as is, record some races, mess around with some people. But yeah, I mean, for the pickup, car's super fun. Don't know how long I'll keep it, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna have a blast with it. And yeah, that's that. So thanks for checking out the video, and I will be doing a couple more videos with this car. I don't know how many, we'll see. But Purple Rain is over and out, and thanks for watching.